star, not far from gone. How much longer can this go on? I say to myself, take it day by day. Came on too strong, nothing took form, like a house of cards in a windstorm. I say to myself, take it day by day, day by day. I go crazy looking forward day by day. I get carried away, but today is where I can stay. I can take it day by day. Really hurts my feelings when you don't respond. Maybe your silence is more than I want. Say you're insecure, that's your excuse. Wear it like a badge, fits more like a noose. So say to yourself, take it day by day, day by day. You go crazy looking for it day by day. You go running from it, but today is where you can stay. You can take it day by day. Sometimes the heart does all the talking. Shut up, listen for a while. But when the brain does all that squawking, traveling the longest mile, if it was true, if that was real, it'll never matter till we heal and say to ourselves, take it day by day, day by day. Plan those rockets of desire, 'cause today is where I must stay. I can take it if I take it day by day.